Not only does each artist sort of get momentum going, but the group itself, it turns into almost like a bonfire where the momentum of the group far exceeds the momentum of any one person, and it becomes really exciting.
We actually get outside and we go together and paint, and the whole story of us being together and traveling and painting is really part of the attraction of the show.
As a group of painters that want to highlight some of the unseen areas of Canada, expressing that, I think, is one of the most important things for us to do.
Everything comes from the landscape, the places that we go.
That's why we go there to these places to do it. We get together a couple times a year and we go to these places.
I think it's about exploration to a certain extent. We like to go places we haven't been before.
We love painting outside.
Painting outside is so very different than being in a studio. The sun is moving and the shadows are changing and the clouds are going, and you've got a very limited time to capture the essence of what you're seeing.
You could get caught up in the movement of things, and it affects, the movement of brushing.
You need to move quickly, and I think that gives the paintings an energy of their own.
We value our time together, and we're committed and we're serious about what we do.
I think we all have a very strong feeling about sense of place, and I think that's what we try to get through with our artwork.
We didn't realize it, but it's time for us to do what we're doing.